Wood pellets. Few people know how useful they truly are, or how vital they are for supplying us with energy. But how are they made? Turns out there's quite a fascinating operation involved. Wood pellets begin their journey as tree seedlings. By absorbing nutrients from the soil and carbon dioxide from the air, and with sunlight and rain, it's eventually nurtured into a full-grown tree, giving us oxygen and forest life a home. Then, it's harvested for lumber and replaced with a fresh seedling, which renews the process all over again in a controlled, sustainable way. Turning the harvested trees into something usable involves a long process of debarking, cutting, chipping, sawing, drying, and planing. This creates almost 60% scrap. Half of this scrap is wood chips that go into the pulp and paper industry. The rest we call sawmilling residuals, and they make up nearly 30% of the original log. These used to be burnt up at the sawmill just to save space. Now, we buy them by the truckload, creating a new revenue stream for the sawmills, which helps guarantee our raw material. We also use harvesting residuals, like the branches or tops left behind after felling. Traditionally, this all would have been burnt in the forest, but again, we ship it to Pinnacle's numerous pellet plants. And when the various residuals arrive, we get right to work. To start, we dry the wet material in a large dryer. Then we mix this with dry shavings and feed this mixture through the hammer mills, where it's ground down into more manageable particles. Hammered material is then squeezed through a high-pressure pellet die, which pushes out pencil-sized tubes of compressed wood. Once formed, these tubes are cut into pellets and cooled back to room temperature, strengthening in the process. Finally, when cooled, the pellets are transported to a storage silo via a vibrating screen conveyor, where any uncompressed dust falls through and is reused. Phew! Quite a process, right?